So welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through this oak shelter and outdoor kitchen that we have just installed in the heart of the New Forest. So today we are right in the heart of the New Forest in this beautiful home. This is like your quintessential English country home. The drive here is beautiful. We're surrounded by forest and heathland, and we're just surrounded by trees and plants, and it really is the most spectacular location. For this project, the customer had got in touch with us and sent me pictures of this space that they had out here. They wanted to create somewhere that they could cook and they could entertain their friends and family. They were really keen to have an oak shelter, which is something we're doing more and more of now. And they wanted to have somewhere, they wanted to keep their own barbecue, and they just wanted to have a pizza oven. For the oak structure, let's talk about that first. So we work really closely with a company called Timber Solutions. So they're really good. They supply oak buildings to the whole of the UK. So everything comes ready-made. So it's all mortised and tenoned in their workshops, in their factories. So when it arrives on site, it literally slots together, and then everything's fixed together using these oak dowels here. So when we first arrived on site, we brought all of the oak round. We had genie lifts, which are big heavy-duty lifting equipment. We had tower scaffolds, and I think in probably about a day, two of the guys, Richard and Ben, they had the bulk of the structure up with the rafters. So it actually goes together really, really quickly. It looks incredible. The rafters, the beams are all big and chunky, and there's something about that oak color. It's just timeless. It's a classic look, and it works well in any garden, but none more so than in this space here. Along the back here, you can see that we have used oak battens as a screening. So this acts as a privacy screen to next door, even though they have got hedge along there, but it also acts as a wall or something to put the kitchen up against. You can see, and we've used this is something we call hit and miss style. So that is where we have a batten and then a gap, batten and a gap. So it provides privacy, but it also lets airflow come through. So when you're cooking, any smoke and fumes and things like that can be blown away by the wind. It also looks really, really good as well. You can see at the top here, we've got the bracing all the way around. So guys have actually sort of scribed the oak to that, and it looks really, really good. So for the kitchen, the customer, like I said before, I think had a trolley barbecue ready. They wanted to keep it. It works really well. There's no point in getting a new one. So they've got that here. So what we did is when we were designing it is we left this space here purely for their barbecue. Coming along to here, so this, they wanted a pizza oven. That was really important to them. So this one here is the Gozney Arc XL in the off black color. So this is a gas only pizza oven. I think you can cook something like a 14-inch pizza in there. It'll get hot really, really quickly, and it will cook pizzas in like 90 seconds or something like that. Restaurant quality pizzas, they're really, really good. You can see that we've cut a hole in the worktop here for the hose to go down into the gas that's under here. So for the actual kitchen itself, on this one, we have used our own range of units. So it's the AOS range of units. So these units we make ourselves in-house. We can make them to any size, any shape. We spray them any color, and it can house any appliance at all. So it's a really versatile system. So in this case, for the color, the customer has chosen the color Melrose Abbey, I think it was called. It kind of matches the worktop quite well, but there are lots of other dark colours in the garden and around, so it does tie it in quite well. It matches well with the Gozney as well. So underneath here, let's just talk through the kitchen units itself. Underneath the pizza oven here, you've got a double cupboard here. So this cupboard is 1 metre wide. In this section here, you've got the gas bottle, and then to the side here, you've got this huge pull-out bin. So you're always going to have waste outside when you're cooking and barbecuing. So having a bin is essential. Along next to that is another metre-long cupboard. That's got a shelf in it, and this is great for just storing things like for pizza peels and things like that as well. On the end here, you have got an HCK stainless steel glass fronted double fridge. So that's great for keeping all your food cool, keeping all your drinks cool as well. Lots and lots of space in there. Over here on the island, so this island is about 2.2 meters long. In the middle, we've got 2 meter wide pan drawers. So these drawers are absolutely huge. They can hold up to 70 kilograms in weight. So really, really strong. You can keep lots of things in there. You can keep plates, crockery and pans in there. So you've got 2 huge drawers in there. And then either side of that, you've got 2 600mm highline cupboards with shelves in as well. So you've got tons and tons of storage over here. Everything on the kitchen is soft close. You can also, underneath here as well, where the doors and the drawers are all handleless, we have these finger rails up here so that you can put your finger in there and open it. And what we've done in this case is actually use oak. So that ties the kitchen into the shelter. So it really draws the two together. It all matches really, really well. For the worktops on this one, the customer already had in their garage, they had some of this worktop. Now this is an HPL, a high pressure laminate worktop. It's 12mm thick. We're starting to use these more and more. They're quite good outside, so that they're completely waterproof. They've got great heat resistant properties. They've got great UV resistant properties as well. So you can see also on this island section, we've got an overhang of 300mm on the back here, which gives space for, well, 3 or 4 bar stools along here, so that allows friends and family to sit here, socialize while you're cooking. It's also a great space for serving up the pizzas and serving the food. You know, you could have some great parties over here. They've got their dining table over there, and this whole patio is a really functional space. It's got stairs that go down there into the garden, and the whole layout just works really, really well. So there you go, another outdoor kitchen project completed. Really, really pleased with this one. I love doing these oak shelters. I really think they bring something special to all the projects. We're doing more and more of them now, and they really are becoming really popular in the UK. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see another one like this, we'll leave a link to another one below there. We try and post these videos once a week, so if you're thinking of getting a kitchen or you're just looking for ideas, make sure to follow us. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have TikTok, so we try and post on there a few times a week. So if you want to go over there, give us a follow, you can see what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.